everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have the EMeet speakerphone. I don't know if you can hear, but I have a hydro tower there. I have my 3D printer here. This office gets very noisy, and I would like to talk on the speakerphone when I have like meetings and things like that. So I'm always looking for some noise cancellation and things like that to make the sound better so people don't have to hear everything going on. So we're going to give this thing a try. This is the OfficeCore M3. It's got 18-hour talk time and 4 noise reduction mics. So we're going to give this thing a test and see how the noise reduction works. We'll probably call my mom or something, see what it is. It's the OfficeCore M3. And this is the box. The tower just turned off. Okay, so let's check this thing out. This is collaboration for creation. And this is it here. So it comes in a nice little case, so super portable. And then here is the manual for it. And that's it, everything out of the box. So let's see with the manual if it even says much of anything here. Just kind of explains some of the buttons and stuff, but let's open it up and check it out. So let's see what we get here. This is a nice looking package. I like this because I can take this with me places. It's got a nice USB, so we can do the remote on that. I wonder if it has like Bluetooth or anything too. It might. Let's check it all out. And then this is what it looks like. It looks like a really nice speaker for sure compared to some of the other things. And it comes with, oh, sorry, I'll show you everything in the box. That's so far this, and then it comes with a wire, and it's a USB to USB-C charging cable. Oh, there goes my printer kicking off. So that's why it gets so noisy here. Things just start making noise all over the place. So let's check this thing out and see how this works. So I'm going to look at the back of this here, and you can see all these different ports. So first we have our USB-C port. That's the one for the power. So that's where we'll plug that one in. We have a headphone jack. We have a link, so we can link up multiple speakers and devices. And then we have the lock. That's good, so we can lock it to the desk if we needed to with one of those locks. I don't have one in here. And then up here we have the different buttons on here. I'm not sure what those buttons will do. I'll tell you in a second here. Well, obviously this one here is going to be the mute one, volume, and then the call. I'm not sure what that very left button is. It's going to be if we go that way, it is the voice IA button. So we'll see what that button is. We're going to try out all these buttons here on this device. And to power it on, we just push the button over here. Yep. Oh, and now it's in some sort of pairing mode. I'm going to have to connect it up to something. I will connect it up to my iPad. So let's see if we go to settings, Bluetooth, and EMeet OfficeCore M3. It finds it on here and it connects. So, I mean, that was simple enough, super fast. Let's see if we have something here like YouTube. I hear it on there. Oh, how do I not? I don't have the YouTube app already installed. How crazy is that? Okay, I'll just go to YouTube on the web browser. YouTube. And I'm just going to pick one of my random videos. And there it is. The sound comes out of there. Actually, sounds really good.
Hey everybody, it's Neil. Hi, me, it's Neil.
And it's super loud. Sounds great to me. Sounds better than the iPad, or better than the laptop too. So I'm going to pause this here. So we had that does function. Let's see if we want to try to call my mom and try this thing out. Let's give this thing a try and see if we can make a telephone call. I even have it still sitting in the case. Oh, clearly it connects through Bluetooth, so this isn't even needed at the moment. So I guess that would be if you had a device that didn't have that. So let's see if we can make a phone call here. Can I make a phone call from here? I think I used that FaceTime app. And let's see if I have. So let's call my mom's mobile number and see how this works. I hear it ringing on here.
Hello.
Hello, Mom. How are you?
I am doing fine.
Okay.
With midday, and we're walking back from the library.
Oh, okay. Well, I just want to ask. I'm
Would you
trying a
like
new.
me to put you on speakerphone?
Oh, well, I'm trying a new speakerphone now, so I was just curious how I sound.
Oh, you sound very good.
Can you hear a lot of background noise, or not really?
It really sounds very good, actually.
Yeah, you don't hear my printer going or my hydroponic tower or anything.
No, I don't hear anything.
Oh, good. Okay, well, that was it. I was just trying to just give you a test here, but I'll give you a call in a little bit.
Okay, no problem.
Oh, okay, sounds good. Okay, love you.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Love you. Bye.
So there we go. So that worked. That was calling my mom on this. I should have had it aimed down a little bit, but you can see it was blue when it was on the talking. So super cool, super easy to set up. My gosh, you saw how I set that up like in an instant. It feels like a nice heavy duty, good device. I mean, I had been using my other EMeet one here, which actually works really well too, but just not quite as industrial as this one here. So I'm going to say this one here, super thumbs up. I didn't actually push all the buttons, so I don't know what that button.
Voice tayo on. Voice tayo off. Voice tayo on.
Oh, I guess it does the voice AI on. So maybe I'll try to call Mom in a little bit and try this again when she's finished with her walk. But I would say this is really sweet. This is totally 2 thumbs up from me. And that's it. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.